Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to GFX English Learning Mentor, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. It's so great to be here today.
It's wonderful to have you here, Alex. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for joining us today. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, we really are. Always happy to be here with you all.
So, Alex, are you ready for today's topic?
I am very ready, Emily. So what are we talking about today?
Today, we are going to talk about shopping in English, what to say at a store.
Oh, I love this topic. Shopping. Everyone loves shopping.
They do, and knowing what to say in English at a store is so important.
Yes, whether you are at a clothes shop, a supermarket, or a big shopping mall.
Exactly. You need to know the right words and phrases.
And after today, you will feel very confident shopping in English.
Yes. And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to our channel, GFX English Learning Mentor.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us so much.
It truly does. Okay, Alex, are you ready to go shopping?
I am ready. Let's go to the store.
Perfect. So let's start from the very beginning. You walk into a store. What happens first?
Usually, a shop assistant will greet you.
That's right, a shop assistant. That is the person who works in the store and helps customers.
Yes, and they will often say something like, "Hello, can I help you?" Or, "Hi, are you looking for something?"
Very common greetings in a store. And what do you say back?
Well, it depends. If you need help, you can say, "Yes, please, I am looking for..."
I am looking for. A very useful phrase.
Yes, for example, "I am looking for a blue shirt," or "I am looking for some shoes."
Simple and clear. And if you don't need help yet, you can say, "No, thank you, I am just looking."
I am just looking. Yes, that is a very natural phrase.
It means you are browsing. You are looking around the store, but you do not need help yet.
Exactly, just browsing, no pressure.
So we have two very important phrases already. I am looking for and I am just looking.
Great starting phrases for any store.
Now, let's talk about asking for a size. This is very important when shopping for clothes.
Yes, very important. So if you find something you like, you might want to try it on.
Try it on. Yes, that means you put the clothes on your body to see if they fit.
Exactly. And to ask for your size, you can say, "Do you have this in a medium?" Or "Do you have this in a large?"
Do you have this in my size? Very useful.
Yes. Or you can ask, "What sizes do you have?" if you are not sure what is available.
And the shop assistant might say, "Yes, we have it in small, medium, and large." Or, "I am sorry, we only have it in large right now."
And if you want to try it on, you say, "Can I try this on, please?"
Can I try this on, please? A very polite and natural phrase.
Yes, always good to be polite in a store.
And the shop assistant will say, "Of course, the fitting rooms are over there."
Fitting rooms. Yes, that is where you go to try on clothes.
Also called changing rooms in British English.
Oh yes, fitting rooms and changing rooms. Both mean the same thing.
So you go to the fitting room, you try on the clothes, and then what?
Well, maybe the clothes fit perfectly. Then you are happy.
Yes. Or maybe they are too big or too small.
Too big or too small.
Then you need to exchange them.
Exchange.
Yes, that means you swap them for a different size.
You can say, "Can I exchange this for a smaller size, please?" Or, "Do you have this in a bigger size?"
Perfect phrases. And what if you love what you found and you want to buy it?
Then you go to the cash register, also called the till or the checkout.
Cash register, till, checkout, all mean the same place where you pay.
Yes, and the shop assistant will say, "Did you find everything okay?" Or, "Are you ready to pay?"
And you can say, "Yes, thank you. I would like to buy this, please."
Simple and polite. Perfect.
Now,
let's talk about asking about the price. This is very important.
Very important, yes. You need to know how much something costs.
So, how do you ask about the price?
You can say, how much is this? Or how much does this cost?
How much is this? How much does this cost? Two very natural ways to ask.
Yes, both are correct and very common.
And the shop assistant will say, it is $10, or that will be 25 pounds.
And if you think the price is okay, you say, okay, I will take it.
I will take it. A very natural phrase. It means you want to buy it.
Yes, not just take it from the shelf, it means you want to purchase it.
Exactly. And what if the price is too high?
That is a tricky situation.
Yes. In some stores, especially markets, you can negotiate the price.
Negotiate, yes. That means you try to get a lower price.
But in most big stores and supermarkets, the price is fixed.
Fixed, yes. It means the price does not change. You cannot negotiate.
So, in a market, you might say, can you give me a better price? Or, is that your best price?
Yes, very useful at a market or a bazaar.
But in a regular store, if the price is too high, you simply put it back.
Or you look for a sale. Items on sale are cheaper.
Yes, a sale. When items are reduced in price. You might see signs that say 50% off, or buy one, get one free. 50% off means the price is half. Very good deal.
Yes, everyone loves a good sale.
Now, let's talk about paying. How do you pay in a store?
There are usually two ways, cash or card.
Cash. That means physical money, coins and notes.
And card means a credit card or a debit card.
The shop assistant will often ask, how would you like to pay, cash or card?
And you can say, I will pay by card, please. Or I will pay with cash.
Simple and clear. And when you pay by card, the shop assistant might say, please tap your card, or please insert your card.
Tap your card. Yes, that is contactless payment. Very common now.
Very modern and fast. And after you pay, the shop assistant will give you a receipt.
A receipt, yes. That is a piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
It is important to keep your receipt, in case you need to return something.
Return, yes. That is very important vocabulary. Return means you bring something back to the store. Maybe it does not fit, or maybe you changed your mind.
And you can say, I would like to return this, please. Or, I would like to exchange this, please.
And the shop assistant will ask, do you have your receipt?
Always keep your receipt. Very important tip.
Yes, a very practical tip.
Now, let's talk about asking for help finding something in the store.
Yes, sometimes stores are very big and you cannot find what you need.
So you can ask a shop assistant, excuse me, where can I find the bread? Or, excuse me, which aisle is the shampoo in?
Aisle. Yes, an aisle is a long passage between shelves in a supermarket.
Very common word in a supermarket. Aisle.
And the shop assistant might say, the bread is in aisle 3, or the shampoo is on the second floor.
Second floor. Yes, many big stores have more than one floor.
And they might say, take the escalator up to the second floor.
Escalator. Yes, that is the moving staircase in a big store or mall.
Very useful word when shopping in a big mall.
Now, let's do a little practice. Alex, pretend you are a shop assistant. I will be the customer.
Okay, I am ready. Hello, welcome to the store. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, please. I am looking for a warm jacket.
Of course. What size are you?
I am a medium. Do you have a medium in this blue jacket?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are just over there on your left.
Thank you. Oh, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
That jacket is $60.
$60. Okay, I will take it. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here. Perfect. And here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Huh, that was a great little shopping trip, Emily.
It was, and we used so many useful phrases just in that short conversation.
Yes, let's review them all. I am looking for, I am just looking. Do you have this in my size? Can I try this on? The fitting rooms are over there. How much is this? I will take it. I will pay by card. I will pay with cash. Please tap your card. Here is your receipt. I would like to return this. Excuse me, where can I find? Which aisle is it in?
That is a wonderful list of shopping phrases, all very natural and very useful.
Yes, practice these phrases and you will feel very confident in any store.
Absolutely. And remember, shop assistants are there to help you. Do not be afraid to ask.
Yes, just say, "Excuse me, can you help me please?" And they will be happy to assist you.
Exactly. A smile and a polite question go a very long way.
They really do, in any language, but especially in English.
So, to summarize everything we learned today, we learned how to greet a shop assistant and respond. We learned how to ask for a size and try on clothes. We learned how to ask about the price. We learned how to pay by cash or card. We learned how to return or exchange something. And we learned how to ask for help finding something in a store.
That is so much useful vocabulary and so many helpful phrases all in one episode.
Yes, and now you are ready to go shopping in English with confidence.
Yes, no more feeling nervous in a store. You have all the phrases you need.
And we have a fun question for all of you today.
Yes, go to the comments below and tell us, what is your favorite thing to shop for?
Yes, write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, my favorite thing to shop for is shoes. Or, I love shopping for books.
We would love to read your answers.
It will be so much fun. Yes, it will. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope this episode was helpful and fun.
It was a wonderful episode, Emily. I feel like going shopping now.
Haha, me too, Alex. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for being part of our GFX English Learning Mentor family.
Yes, please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is learning English.
Until next time, keep practicing your English every single day. You are doing amazing. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emily. Happy shopping.